Let us explore this brand new modern contemporary home nestled in the biggest estate here in the Philippines, Venaria, Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Hello world, this is me again, Jairi Mamaklay, your property geek, and I am very excited because this is our first time featuring a brand new house and lot in our YouTube channel that would be perfect para sa mga clients natin or Filipinos abroad looking for retirement home in the future here in the Philippines. So watch out guys dahil napakaganda nitong bahay na to. It consists of 5 bedrooms with its own toilet and bath, and perfect then, syempre, no, para sa mga families looking for their new location because this area is very perfect for family building. So, bago natin pasukin yung house, let's see muna, no, kung gaano siya kalayo at paano tayo magsisimula pumunta dito mula sa commercial district here in Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Before we enter the house, I would just like to guide you mula dito sa commercial area ng Nuvali papunta sa house and lot here in Venaria. For of course, no, para mas makita nyo din, magkaroon kayo ng idea, Jairi, bukod sa house and lot na itutour nyo kami ngayon, is ano na ka ba yung mga updates dito sa area. So as you can see, we're here at the commercial district or area of Nuvali. So usually, if you're not a resident here in this estate, dito ka usually pumupunta. So koi fishing, dun sa Solenad 1, and then ito is Solenad 2 area wherein Landmark is located here. And of course, nagkaroon sila ng expansion for their parking. So nakikita nyo, meron ng new parking area or slots dito sa Solenad 2. So mahaba to, maraming mangyayari dito sa area na to. So naka-stoplight tayo ngayon, and gusto ko lang din ma-appreciate nyo kahit through the lenses of the camera na it's as if that's your eyes, no, na nakatuto kayo dito, pinapanood nyo yung video ko na parang nagtutour talaga kayo on how Ayala Land is maintaining their estate. So as you can see, the surrounding area, kahit mapuno, hindi nyo makikita na scattered yung mga dried leaves na mga nahuhulog sa trees. So it's very important, no, not just napapangalagaan nyo or you're taking care of your house and kung saang subdivision kayo, but pati yung labas. And that's the advantage of you guys getting a property that is in a township project, no? Katulad ng Nuvali, because you're really getting what you pay for. Hindi nyo lang binayaran yung property na titirhan nyo mismo, but pati yung surrounding area na paglabas nyo, nandyan na yung malls, nandyan na yung business districts, groceries, no? Lahat ng kailangan nyo nandito na sa area. So, na-green light na, and we will continue to drive, no, para mas makita nyo kung ano yung itsura ni Nuvali papunta sa Venaria. So very smart yung ginawa ni Nuvali actually, kasi yung accessible by public because they have malls like Solenad is inilagay nila sa unahan para may peace, quietness, and exclusivity pa rin yung residential area ni Nuvali. So on our right, this is already Solenad 3, and as you can see, there is a barricade na green. Guys, that would be their 4th Solenad, or what they call Solenad 4. So imagine, Solenad 1, 2, 3, and 4, ang laki ng expansion nila and ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa area. So, nandito rin sa tapat ng Solenad 4 na ginagawa ngayon is of course, no, Landers and SNR na lagi kong fini-feature, and ang dami pa, no, dahil tabi-tabi nga yung mga nangyayaring developments dito sa area. bukod dito sa nangyayari sa loob ni Nuvali, para kasing may perimeter wall na invisible lang yung mga developments dito from big developers. Kapag nag-drive lang kayo ng konti, nandito na kayo sa Greenfield City, kapitbahay ni Nuvali, nandyan si Paseo de Santa Rosa, Vivere Hotel in Alabang, kinoconstruct na rin yung building. Huwag kayong mag-alala, I will be making a video for ongoing developments, and of course, Museum for Architecture and Arts, and of course, SM Premier na tinatag nila as SM Yulo, which will be para inspired siya sa SM Aura. So it's a mall of SM that would cater affluent market, and magkakaroon ng 1 hectare air-conditioned indoor garden. So imagine kung ano yung mangyayari dito sa area. So it's more of like a BGC or Makati of the South, but more of suburban living, because they are balancing developments. And of course, aside from the developments, they are also balancing open spaces, green spaces that would cater family building, environment, and of course, a retirement home. Perfect for our Filipinos abroad na gusto pa rin umuwi dito sa Pilipinas. So, ika-cut ko na ito. We will be having a time-lapse para mas makita ninyo yung route papunta sa Venare. So from the gate, nandito tayo sa Venare community, papunta dun sa house and lot. But as you could observe, yung time-lapse natin from the commercial area, 5 minutes away lang tayo dun. But don't worry, because if ayaw nyong pumunta dun sa area na accessible by public, maraming commercial developments dito, catering the residents of Nuvali para mas malapit kayo sa mga needs ninyo. So as you would observe dito sa loob ng Venare community, this is actually one of the first Alveo projects here in Nuvali, but still well-maintained. Wala kang makikitang matataas na mga grasses sa mga vacant lots, and at the same time may mga roving na guards. So security-wise, hindi tayo magkaka-problem. Actually, ito na yung house, and tara, let's tour the house na. I hope you guys enjoyed our tour from the commercial area papunta sa subdivision, papunta dito sa house, para kahit nanonood kayo outside the Philippines, nagpapahinga kayo, you're having dinner with your family, it's as if you are tripping personally. So I'm excited, dahil papasukin na natin yung house. But before that, I just want to share you the major specification of this house. So this one is a 3-story home located here in the Polo Drive of Venare, Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna. As you can see, putok na putok ang araw, It's 12 in the afternoon here in the Philippines, but ang hangin, because we are on a high land elevation. So nakikita nyo ngayon habang nag-drive kami kanina, we're flashing kung gaano natin kakita yung Laguna Bay, having a proof kung gaano kataas ang land elevation dito. I myself is living currently here in Nuvali, and I can say wala akong na-experience na flood because there's no flood history here in the area because mataas nga po ang land elevation. And that's very important, lalo na if you're looking for a retirement home na hindi ka naman mamroblema na flood prone ba to, Jaire. And of course, you will be enjoying this breeze, this air na kahit katanghalian po ng araw, hindi po mainit. So tara, pasukin na natin yung house. So dito sa front ng house, as you can see, I just like the design na meron elevation bago ka pumasok dito sa door. It's quite like mga 5 steps bago ka makapunta dito sa main door. So pinakita ko lang po, para mas ma-picture out nyo kung gaano siya ka mataas pa, no? Mataas na nga yung land elevation natin and mas mataas, tinaasan pa nila, no? Yung first floor ng house. On our right is a gate para makapunta ka dun sa garden area because this is a single detached and meron pong restriction dito sa subdivision na hindi pwedeng idikit, no, sa pinaka-property line yung firewall. So dapat mag-iwan ka ng setbacks sa front, sa two sides of your house, and then sa back. And then dito, there is a door, mamaya papasukin natin to or mas i-feature natin to, going to your everyday kitchen and maid's room with their own toilet and bath. And then for this one, kasya dito yung 2-car garage. So, wala namang problema, hindi po siya grass, no? Tiled siya. So, don't worry about your car because maganda yung location ng car garage, maganda yung magiging parking, and at the same time, there is this roofing, no, to protect the car. So, very open, very welcoming, and very homey. I'm inviting you to your future home, so let's declare it. And this is the main door of the house. Let's enter the house. I love this main door. I don't know because I'm not an interior designer. Hindi pa rin po ako ganun kagaling, no? Pero I just want to highlight this kung paano yung door, no? Paano siya nagmo-move. So I hope nakikita niyo yon. And then, if you don't have a car key, nakalimutan niyo yung physical key ng main door ninyo, you can tap your card and meron siyang password na pwede niyong iset. So, that's it. And then, first impression with this house, very homey, napaka-aliwalas, napakalaking tulong na ang dami niyang mga glasses. Very inviting sa natural lighting. Actually, nag-turn on lang kami para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung mga chandeliers. But during daytime, napakalaki ng magiging savings nyo sa electricity. Kasi kahit na wala kayong paandarin ng mga lightings, is napakaliwanag pa rin ng loob ng bahay. So, where I'm standing right now is the living area. So, I can imagine having a guest area here or a receiving area. Ang ganda na meron kang sofa dito. And at the same time, meron kang view ng garden mo at this side. Pwedeng maglagay ka ng television, but I can observe, no, yung iba sa receiving area, wala na ring television. And this one, high ceiling siya. So another chandelier. So as you can see for this one, pagpasok mo ng bahay, no, parang sobrang laki niya kasi nakakadagdag talaga na sobrang spacious ng house if you have a high ceiling. And for this area, pwede mong ilagay dito yung dining table mo. I think kasya yung 6-seater na table dito kasi nandito yung chandelier. So, pwede dito yung dining table. And then, of course, no, you also have this sliding door na pwede pa kayo maglagay dito ng tables and chairs outside. Like, if you want to have a breakfast, mag-coffee ka or mag-read ng newspaper para mas ma-feel mo yung breeze ng air during the morning, pwede ka pumwesto dito sa area na to. And for this one, punta naman tayo sa third major part of the first floor, which is the kitchen area. So I imagine baking here, kung chef ako, no, nagbablog ako dito, and ang ganda lang ng mga lightings or chandeliers na ginamit nila kasi talagang nagtutugma siya, no, dun sa pinaka-theme ng house kasi mahilig ang architect, no, or yung naggawa ng bahay na to dito sa accent na wood na ganitong color and nagko-complement siya dun sa mga chandeliers natin dito sa first floor. So what you see here is what you'll get when you buy this house, pati yung split type air conditioners kasama na po siya. And then meron na tayong oven, meron na tayong mga gas ranges, and at the same time, kompleto na din yung mga overhead cabinets natin. So, really like this one. And of course, this is your pantry. So, you can have it as your storage, no, mga chips, mga snacks. So, nandito yung pantry ninyo. And on the right side is our first bedroom or bedroom number 1. So kahit sa bedroom, pag napansin nyo, meron pa rin talagang malalaking glass para maaliwala siya tignan. Ito, pwede natin ito buksan para kung gusto mo pumunta sa garden, pwede mo siyang i-open. And at the same time, all of the bedrooms comes with their own toilet and bath. So tignan natin itong toilet and bath. Ang ganda rin ng finishing ng toilet and bath. As you could observe, no, ang ganda ng tiles, ang ganda ng ginamit, pati mga shower heads. So, very hotel yung style. If you don't want like to have a bedroom here, kasi ang nagustuhan ko dito sa bahay na to, may bedroom sa baba, which is kailangan talaga, lalo na as a retirement home or if you have an elderly na family member sa house mo, so hindi na siya aakyat, dito na lang. Pero if you don't want a bedroom, you can make your bedroom here in the ground floor as your office. Since nandito sa first floor ang ating receiving area, we have our powder room here. Ang ganda na na-maximize niya yung space na to kasi ano na to stairs na to. Pero pwede nitong gawing storage, pero hindi nila to ginawang storage, pero naging powder room. And na-maximize talaga na, uy, paano nga ba natin ma-maximize yung ilalim ng hagdan? So ginawa nilang powder room and this is classy. This is, ang ganda ng material na ginamit. So let's check this side of the house. So lumabas ako from our kitchen. Gusto ko to, no, kasi nasa etong area na to, yung hindi nyo nakikita, nakaharap na ako sa garage. So lapit kayo sa akin. Ang ganda nitong meron tayong area dito where you can place your vacuum or kung panglinis ng cars, no, merong area here. And this will be our everyday kitchen or our dirty kitchen. And then nandito na yung ating maid's room. Ang maid's room natin, ang maganda sa kanya is meron siyang own toilet and bath na reasonable naman yung space, no, for a maid's room, and at the same time meron din access here going sa back ng house natin. As you can see, dito nakatago yung mga condenser. So ang galing kasi kahit nandito yung mga condenser, hindi pa rin eyesore. And at the same time, ito yung mga nakikita natin, no, from inside. Ito yung door, no, ng bedroom number 1. If gusto mo magpahangin, and then dito naman sa side, inikot lang natin yung side ng house. Nandito naman yung where you can put a table here, or like, kaya pag summer, pwede kang maglagay ng inflatable pool, no? If you have a kid who wants to swim or mag-dip lang, no? At yung mga gustong mag-dip talaga kahit mga kids at heart, no? So, ito yung nasa harap ng house kanina. May gate pa tayo, no? Sa harap ng house kanina. So, ito yon. Kasi nga, single detached itong house na ito. Ang ganda. Ang daming mga glasses. And pag nagkaroon ako ng dream home, parang na-envision ko no, na, ito yung gusto kong dream home. Yung talagang mag-glass, mataas yung ceiling para maaliwalas siya. Let's check the second floor of the house. Ang ganda ng mga paintings and gusto ko lang i-highlight to. Meron pa siyang painting, no, dito sa high ceiling natin. So, mas mapapakita natin mamaya yan. And still, no, marami pa rin siyang glasses sa entire home paakyat. But honestly, wala pong naka-on na aircon dito. Mainit siya. So, ang advice ko, if kayo ang makakabili ng house na to, ipatent nyo siya or buksan nyo yung mga bintana. Kasi sa first floor, no, may mga bintana dyan na kapag binuksan nyo, pag well-ventilated na yung house, hindi mo na mafe-feel kasi mahangin talaga dito sa area na to. Like ito, marami kang pwedeng i-open ng mga windows here. And dito sa second floor, ang major area talaga nito is this family hall, no? Or family room. So, ang laki nito, ang dami nyong pwedeng ilagay here. Pwede nyong gawing game area to, bonding area. You can put a television here or study area para sa mga kids. Ang laki, ang spacious nitong family area. And we have a balcony here. So we are at this other side of the house. Wala po tayo sa front. So meron tayong balcony dito. And kapag natayuan to ng bahay, dahil nga single detached siya, don't worry kasi hindi talaga ito matatakpan dahil meron pang setback. And kung saan ako nakatayo ngayon, you can see the Tagaytay Mountain. Ayan, ang hangin na agad paglabas, no? And punta tayo sa bedroom number 2. Let's check the second bedroom of this house. So for the second bedroom, my mistake, ito yung walang toilet and bath. Pero, hindi naman siya malayo, no, sa powder room or sa toilet and bath na meron yung kabilang bedroom. Pero ito yung pinakagusto ko dito. Ito yung pinakagusto ko dito na open siya. Meron siyang sliding door. And then, from this high ceiling ng chandelier, no, makikita ko yung kitchen area. Pwede ko tawagin, Mom, dito na lang ako magbe-breakfast sa room ko. Just kidding. So, I like this bedroom. I like this feature of this bedroom. So, this is our bedroom number 2. Sa second floor, aside from this family hall, and of course, nakita natin yung second bedroom dahil dalawa yung bedroom dito. Nandito yung master's bedroom. Marami akong nakikitang mga glass windows, pero I really appreciate this kind of glass window na pa-rectangle siya. Kasi parang pagising ko sa bed ko, no? Pagising ko sa umaga, landscape or panoramic yung makikita kong view. And dahil mataas nga yung land elevation natin, ang ganda talaga nung view dito sa area. Kahit hanggang ngayon, no, yung Tagaytay Highlands or yung Tagaytay area, nakikita pa rin from this location of the house. Wow! And of course, meron siyang sariling walk-in closet. Ayan yung sarili niyang walk-in closet and merong malaking mirror dito. Can I check kung parang haggard na ako kasi ang init tsaka ang laki ng bahay. So, ayun. Walk-in closet. And then for this area, meron tayong lavatory para kay Mrs. at kay Mr. And then nandito yung ating toilet. And on this side, nandito yung shower area natin. So, malaki, spacious, ang ganda ng finishing. Wala akong masabi, no? Very sulit talaga for the price. Now, let's go to the third floor. So, ayan, punta na tayo ng third floor. Wow! Gusto kong makita nyo to. Tara, tara! Wow! Look at the view of Mount Makiling from this area. Parang kahit magbabasa ako ng libro or magkakape ako dito, tapos nakatingin lang ako dito sa Mount Makiling. Sulit na. Relax na ako. Wow. Tara na, sa third floor. And for the third floor, meron pa rin siyang malaking hall. Actually nga, parang pwede nyo pa rin itong gawing family hall or kung ano man yung area na gusto nyo gawin dito. Kasi very spacious siya, no? Kayo na yung mag-iisip kung ano yung pwede nyong ilagay na furnitures or appliances para ma-maximize nyo talaga yung space. Kahit dito, kita po yung Makiling. Nakikita siya sa video, right? So, ayan. Wow! And then, dito muna tayo sa third bedroom. Sa third bedroom, so, makikita natin itong cabinet, no? Na may sliding door. And then, on our right is the toilet and bath. So, same finishing ng mga toilet and bath na nakita natin sa mga bedrooms. And then, nandito na yung pinaka-bedroom ng area na to. So, nandito siya sa back of the house, dito sa likod, na meron na tayong kapitbahay. Ang maganda dito, nakatayo na no, yung kapitbahay mo sa likod. So, ina-expect mo na or nakikita mo na ngayon na ito na lang siya, no? Hanggang second floor na lang siya. At malayo yung gap niya, no? Hindi talaga dikit na dikit. And then for this one, sa tabi niya, meron tayong storage. Kung mahilig kayo, no, sa mga linens, sa mga beddings, pwede yung i-store dito. Towels, toiletries, malaki to, no? So, meron kayong space para hindi nakatago talaga siya at meron siyang proper storage. And then, for our last bedroom, our fifth bedroom, meron ding own cabinet. And itong fifth bedroom na to, ito yung nakikita sa front ng house na terrace, no? So, from the terrace, no, sa fifth bedroom natin, nakikita ko dito, Tagaytay area, Mount Makiling. Wow! Parang ito yung favorite ko na part ng bedroom. Ng fifth bedroom, no? Parang ito yung gusto kong maging bedroom kasi gusto ko nasa mataas ako na area. Pero still, no, yung ibang bedrooms meron pa rin namang view, no? Pero ito kasi, meron kang sarili mong terrace and then makikita mo yung surrounding area. And I think kahit magkaroon ng house, no, sa tapat mo na block, hindi pa rin talaga mabablock yung view kasi sa mga subdivisions like Alveo, specifically here in Venaria, here in Nuvali, meron silang mga height restrictions para hindi talaga sobrang taas ng magiging kapitbahay mo. Meron kayong equal chances of getting a view when you construct your house. Kasi hindi ka na mag-expect na kung ang maximum height dito is 10 meters to 13 meters, hanggang dun lang yon. Oh, meron pa palang isang bedroom here. Nakaka-fifth bedroom na ako. Oh, I realized yung merong sliding door kanina na walang toilet and bath, hindi pala yung bedroom. So, I'm sorry guys, that's a man cave or pwede nyong gawing area like an office din or kung ano man gusto nyong gawin sa room na yon. So, ayun, technically this is our fifth bedroom. So, again, correction, total of 6 rooms yung nakita ko, 5 bedrooms with its own toilet and bath, and then yung nasa second floor na may sliding door na walang toilet and bath, pwede nyo siyang gawing office or technically a man cave. So, this one, meron na siyang table, cabinet, and just like sa other bedrooms, meron na siyang toilet and bath din. Let's have a quick recap again. This house is located in Venaria, Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna, sitting on a 238 square meter lot area with a gross floor area of 400 square meters. You will be having 5 bedrooms with their own toilet and bath, and a man cave and an extra room. And again, this comes with all 5 air-conditioned split-type aircon for the bedrooms, and of course, meron din tayo dito sa first floor. This is very livable because lalagyan nyo na lang ng furnitures and appliances, and then you can live na facing south, and this is very near amenity area and at the same time, commercial district of New Valley. This is priced at 39 million pesos. If you are interested for this to be your next retirement or family home, please feel free to contact me through my local mobile, iMessage, Viber, or WhatsApp account. That's +63927 185 1590. Again, +63927 185 1590. You can also contact me through our official email address. That's thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. We also have a Facebook page, The Property Geek, and you may personally contact me on my personal Facebook account. That's Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Again, we are still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section for real estate needs here in the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok, guys. Again, this is your Property Geek, Jaire Mamaklay, always inviting you to come home to the beautiful islands of the Philippines.